Hi friends, welcome to my channel. This channel is for the graduates who wants to start their career in software testing and also for the professionals who wants to change their domain to software testing. Today I will tell you about what is software testing. Let's understand this. Friends, in our real time, whatever the applications we are using, let's say WhatsApp, Gmail, or Facebook, whatever it is, everything has been tested and then only it launches to the market so that we are using. In software companies, after getting requirement from the customer, first development will start. Once development is completed, it will come for testing. In companies, we have separate testing team who are testing the application as per the customer requirement. They will be checking the functionality of the application according to the customer requirement and they will find the defects. Their main intention is, testers' main intention is to find the defects and give a bug free product to the market. They will test the application like an end user. Suppose I am a end user, how I am using the application, okay, how it will be comfortable to all the end user, how they can use smoothly. So their tester's mindset will be like a end user mindset. So they will be checking the functionality of the application and they will ensure the application meets the customer requirement, the application is bug free before releasing to the production or before delivering to the end user. So who will perform testing? The QA engineer or testing team. They will be performing testing of the application. So basically, what is software testing? Testing the functionality of the application according to the customer requirement. It reduces number of defects and give bug-free product to the end user. In my later videos, I will come up with more topics on this testing. Till then, stay tuned. If you like my channel, then please do subscribe it and share to your friends. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment me. I'll be happy to answer your queries. Thank you.